In this quick guide, I'll show you how to set up Deel for seamless payroll. If you're new to Deel, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be able to manage global payroll, contracts, and compliance for your team, all in one place, without the headache of traditional payroll systems. Deel makes it incredibly easy to onboard, pay, and manage remote teams, contractors, and full-time employees. First things first, let's get you set up with an account. Once you're on Deel's homepage, you'll see the option to sign up. Click there and you'll create your account by filling in your basic information, like your name, email, and business details. It's a simple process, and you can sign up using your Google account if that's more convenient. Once you're signed up, it's time to add your team members. Deel allows you to add contractors, employees, and even agencies. For each person you add, you'll need to input basic details like their role, country of residence, and payment preferences. Deel will then automatically generate a contract tailored to the worker's location and the type of engagement, whether that's freelance or full-time. Now, let's talk about setting up payments. Deel supports payments in multiple currencies, and it's designed to handle complex global payroll needs with ease. When setting up payroll, you can add a bank account or integrate with popular payment systems like PayPal or local bank transfers. Deel will handle the exchange rates and make sure your workers are paid accurately and on time, no matter where they are in the world. One of the best features of Deel is the automatic tax calculations. This is crucial because tax laws can vary greatly from one country to the next. Deel takes care of the compliance and ensures you're not missing any critical tax filings, saving you a lot of time and avoiding penalties. It's not just about paying your team, it's about doing it the right way, and Deel helps ensure you're always on top of tax obligations. Next, let's talk about contracts. Deel offers customizable contract templates, so you can be sure that each team member's contract is legally sound. You can include important details like salary, work hours, IP ownership, and termination clauses. And don't worry about compliance. Deel updates its templates to ensure they meet the latest laws and regulations, so you're always protected. Now, what if you need to scale your team quickly? Deel makes this easier than ever. You can hire talent from anywhere and instantly have them set up on the platform with all the legal and payment details taken care of. It really streamlines the whole process, so you can focus on growing your business without worrying about HR logistics. And here's the best part. Deel isn't just about payroll and contracts. It's a complete solution for managing your global workforce. You can track time off, manage approvals, and even issue benefits directly through the platform. Plus, Deel provides you with real-time reports to help you monitor your spending, track expenses, and analyze payroll data for deeper insights into your business. Before we wrap up, don't forget that Deel offers a free trial that you can access through the first link in the description below. This exclusive offer gives you full access to Deel's features without any cost, allowing you to test everything out before you commit. So to recap, setting up Deel for seamless payroll is fast and easy. You can onboard employees, set up payments, generate contracts, handle taxes, and manage a global team, all from one platform. It's an all-in-one solution designed for businesses that want to streamline their payroll and operations. Remember, check out the link below for your exclusive extended free trial of Deel. You'll get to explore all of these features risk-free and see how Deel can transform the way you handle payroll. Thanks for watching.